Our latest product is a parts carrier, a washing basket, and a parts carrier system, all in one carrier, one basket, and one system. We call it the Factory Carrier. The Factory Carrier combines the best features of all our systems. Particularly customers who clean their components no longer need a separate wash basket, as this can remain directly in the Factory Carrier. With the newly developed corner pieces, the height of the basket can be freely selected in 10mm increments and flexibly adjusted to accommodate the component. A round frame is inserted into the corner pieces of the modular assembly and then secured with self-locking nuts. The use of a round frame significantly enhances the stability of the carrier, optimizing the weight distribution of the components. This design allows for the transport of especially heavy components with a plastic-based system. Alternatively, the Factory Carrier can be assembled with handles for improved usability. The modular assembly is easy to install and can be equipped with all standard and multi-clips. Since the Factory Carrier is based on our standardized trays, the system remains stackable and compatible with all corresponding ZELL factory systems and KLTs. The consistent footprint also enables bi-directional compatibility with conveyor systems. The combination of these exceptional product features makes the Factory Carrier a versatile parts carrier system. Especially heavy components can now be processed in an automated fashion. The Factory Carrier facilitates optimal intermediate buffering in production, simplifies storage, and provides maximum protection in intralogistics. These are crucial advantages for the manufacturing industry.